Can a dog factor numbers better than a quantum computer? You're receiving the Cyberstream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of Cyberstreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, quantum factorization exposed. Why the hype won't crack your encryption anytime soon. Quantum computing was the darling buzzword of 2019 that had investors salivating, billions pouring into startups, and cybersecurity pros sweating over post-quantum encryption like it's the end of the world. But hold on to your qubits, folks, because the glorious takedown has arrived, proving it's all smoke and mirrors and a hefty dose of wishful thinking. Let's unpack this like a magician's magic box in plain English, revealing the sleight of hand that's fooled us all. Picture quantum factorization as that flashy Vegas illusionist promising to saw encryption in half, only to reveal he's using pre-cut props and a trapdoor. A brilliant paper by cryptographer Peter Gutmann titled Replication of Quantum Factorization Records with an 8-bit home computer, an abacus, and a dog. Yes, you heard that right, a dog. Gutmann and co-author demonstrate that every so-called quantum record in factoring numbers like 15, 21, or 35 is bogus, relying on contrived sleight-of-hand numbers designed to be ridiculously easy to crack. In reality, no quantum rig has ever factored a legit number without massive cheating. Take the hype machine's greatest hits. Back in 2001, IBM factored 15, that is 3 times 5, with Shor's algorithm, but it used a compiled version of the number that sneakily knew the answer up front. Fast forward to 2012's 21, that is 3 times 7, same tricks. A 2019 stab at 35, 5 times 7, flopped spectacularly. And that 2024 D-Wave claim of cracking RSA 248 encryption, turns out the huge number was solvable with a simple square root on a 1981 Commodore VIC-20, or even Gutmann's dog, Scribble, barking 3 times, since 15, 21, and 35 all share the factor of 3. Why the endless hype? Quantum computing sounds sexy, promising to shatter prime factorization, the bedrock of the encryption securing your emails, logins, and transactions. Billions in venture capital flood in, press releases trumpet imminent threats, and suddenly everyone's hawking quantum-resistant upgrades. In Gutmann's ranking, VIC-20 beats Abacus, Abacus beats Dog, Dog beats Quantum. For a small business owner worried about their encrypted data, this means the quantum apocalypse is fiction, for now. If you're not smirking yet, consider Scribble the dog outdid multi-billion-dollar quantum labs. Who's a good boy? Not the hype mongers, that's for sure. At Cyberstreams, we're chuckling at the spectacle, but serious about keeping our clients productive and secure. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, don't panic on quantum threats. Major tech vendors are already incorporating post-quantum encryption and will in due time. Second, educate your team on real risks. Train staff on real threats like weak passwords and phishing emails. And third, stay skeptical of tech hype. Question buzzwords pushing urgent upgrades or demand proof before investing. For more on buzzword busting, click the link in the comments or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com. This concludes your Cyberstream System Update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.